During his daily COVID-19 update on Monday, the Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony, said that from Tuesday, the local health authorities would continue its rollout of the second doses of the Russian-made Sputnik V vaccines.
As you would recall, we had started giving the second dose to those persons who got their first dose in April. We'll continue that process from tomorrow, and anybody remaining from April will be able to access their second dose Sputnik, and then we move on to those persons in June. So as of tomorrow, those who would be eligible for their second dose Sputnik would be persons from April and May rather. So those would be the two months that we'll be looking at.
The newsroom was reliably informed that the rollout of this second dose specifically was resuming since the country received another shipment of the vaccines early Monday morning. This was later confirmed by the advisor to the Ministry of Health, Dr. Leslie Ramsammy. Sputnik V, unlike the AstraZeneca and Sinopharm vaccines, has a second dose that is different from the first dose. Initially, the country had been administering this second dose some 4 weeks after the first, but that has been extended to 12 weeks now. This is due to information provided by the Gamaleya Research Center, which developed the Sputnik V vaccine. The center, in a recent press release, said that it is possible to increase the minimum interval between the first and second vaccine shots from the earlier approved 21 days to up to 3 months. Meanwhile, on Monday, the health minister also called for persons who took their AstraZeneca vaccines to visit the vaccination sites so that they can get their second dose and become better protected from SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes the disease COVID-19. He also said that the Ministry of Health has first and second doses of the Chinese Sinopharm vaccine available. On Monday, too, the minister provided an update on the country's vaccination numbers.
As of yesterday, we've had 246,716 persons receiving their first dose vaccine. That would be approximately 50.7% of our adult population. And again, we have had 130,429 persons who have received their second dose vaccine, which would be approximately 26.8% of our adult population.
He, however, said that there has been a slowdown in the uptake of the vaccines and encouraged people to get vaccinated. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Vishani Ragabir.